Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to create Binance account. In order to create Binance account, first you will need to install Binance app. After you install Binance app, you'll have to open the app. This is the first interface you will see of Binance. Here you can find two options that says login and sign up. You'll have to tap on sign up option since we are creating a new account. Here you'll need to enter your email or phone number. I'll be entering my email address for now. Make sure to enter email address that you have access of. After you type in your email address, tap on next option. You can also continue with Google here. A verification code will be sent to your email. The verification code will be valid till 30 minutes only. Now you'll need to open your Gmail app. And as you can see, you have received mail from Binance. You'll have to open it. You can find activation code here. You'll have to copy that code. Then go back to your Binance app and paste the code here. After you do that, you'll be directed to the page where you have to create password. Make sure the password is at least 8 characters. That includes one number and at least one uppercase letter. After you create your password, you'll have to tap on next option. And just like that, you have successfully created your Binance account. This was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to create Binance account. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us like, share and subscribe. Thank you.